5 nights, $70 a night. We have a fully functioning kitchen in a nicely sized studio apartment. We're minutes away from the water. This is our stay in Funchal, Madeira. Let's go. Nice kitchenette. We're able to cook all of our meals here. An adequate selection of pots and pans, cooktop, microwave. Bathroom looks nice, it's well appointed. Nice large shower, awkward shape, but it's okay. Natural ventilation system. One big room to rule them all, like a good studio apartment. Excellent view at the street level. Television or whatever. And a bed. That's it. This is our apartment here while we stayed here for 5 days in Funchal, Madeira. There's 2 islands, and we are right on the biggest of the island where the capital city is, and we are in Funchal. This was a gem of a find, I would say. Our coming to Madeira was a bit of a side trek that we didn't really plan on, but it was available from where we were at, and it was an inexpensive flight and an inexpensive accommodation. And I've stayed in worse and paid more. So, what are the highlights you think, Lisa, of this
accommodation? It was nice to have our own space, and they have a lift to get us to the 4th floor, so I'm solid.
Yeah, the whole building is very modern and very clean and aesthetic. I think that's definitely a find for this price range. So I would definitely probably stay here again every time. It is very conveniently located to a lot of food places, markets, a lot of attractions, and you get a great view up the mountain and of all the businesses and all the houses just splayed out, colors and lights. So this is worth it.